What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, coming to you with yes another video. And today I'm out doing lawns, and I wanted to show you the advantage of having a mulching kit or a mower that mulches to kind of cut down on your work a little bit. Check it out. Okay, so I am at the property now. All of the leaves that you see out here on this lawn, as you can see, the leaves didn't fall out here. This curb was full of all these leaves. I blew all these leaves onto the grass, onto the lawn, and I'm gonna run over them with my mower, and it's gonna mulch those leaves down into the grass, so it'll make it look good, and you won't have to get up all these leaves, because this is fall season and these leaves are gonna continue to fall. So this is a way to keep the lawn looking good and get these leaves off the grass, because you know they do kill them. But anyway, here we go. To get the leaves finally mulched in, but now I mean, look at it, it's so much better. I got all those leaves that was all on the curve and blew them all into the grass and then mulched them up. So this is the advantage of having a mower that mulches instead of side discharge. You get an opportunity to save yourself some work, make the grass look good, and just overall have a better experience for the customer. All right, YouTube family, and thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.